Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, today's video is about the data science interview question for the data engineer, which were asked into the LTI interview question. So this question has been shared by one of my viewers who have recently attended the LTI Mindry interview. And in that they have asked this scenario based question, which he have to perform into the pyspark. So guys, if you will solve this question right, most of the pyspark part will be covered into that. So suppose they have given one employee detail file and he have to find three KPI metrics. So first one is the employee details or employee who is getting the highest salary among the employees. So we have to find the first thing, which is the highest salary of an employee. Then we have to find the employee getting highest salary within the department. Suppose there is one department IT. In the IT department, which employee is getting highest salary? So that thing we have to find. Third thing, we have to find the maximum employee in department. Suppose one department IT, how many number of the employees working in IT? Suppose four, but in HR, five people are working. So highest number of the department will be HR. So these three things we have to find. And like if you will resolve this question or solve this question right, most of the things like how to rename the column, how to handle the values, data type, all these things you will encountered and all things you have to solve. So that's why they have asked this question. So suppose I have a employee detail table, means employee detail file, CSV file, and now we are going to process this into the PySpark. So I have opened Azure Data Studio, and what I have created a Spark session. Then what I'm going to do, I have imported the max function over here, and I have read the CSV file, which is employee detail file, and we having employee first name, last name, employee phone number, hire date, job ID, salary, all these things detail. So now, like before showing this, right, let me show you this one thing. If you print the schema, right, you know how to print the schema. If you don't know the, if in data frame, if we'll print this schema, we will came to know about this. So after printing the schema, right? See what we are getting over here. We are getting all the column employee ID, first name, last name. All these are in string format. So once we will start reading the or start performing any of the operation. Suppose we are performing the operation to get the highest salary and we are trying to run this, what error we will get, that salary is not unrecognized or means not a numeric column. So aggregation, if you want maximum, whatever the performance, multiplication, mathematical operation could be performed over the numeric column. So what we have to do before performing this, we have to change the data type, right? So for that, let's print the schema and check that. As of now, I require the salary column to be changed. So what we will do, df is equals to, we will type df dot with column. With the help of with column, we can change the schema name of the, we can change the data type of any column. So we want to change the data type of the salary column. So we will do over here salary, comma, uh, call decimal type as well, right? Now, so what are the KPIs we have to find? We have to find the employee getting highest salary, right? So what we will do, we will for that first KPI, let's put over here, let's text it and we will put this employee getting highest salary, max salary, just put max salary, okay? Let's bold this, highlight it. So let's start to over here. What we will do, we have df1 data frame. Let's put this data frame on df1, and what we will do, df1 uh, is equals to df highest salary, right? Df highest salary is equals to what we will do, we will select df1 dot select. Okay, and we will try to select all these columns. Okay, selected all these. Now we have to do order by, and we will do order by this salary column, and we will put ascending is equals to false, because by default in this ascending order sorting will be there. So ascending is equals to false, so it will not do like that. Now what we have to do, df highest salary dot so. So if you look over here, this is this employee, like Steven is getting higher salary. So we want first employee only detail, right? So what we will do, we will limit our result to 1. So it will select the first highest. Like in SQL, if you used to select top one record, right? So similarly, we have to do here also. So that's the case over here. So we got first our first KPI, max salary, right? Now second, what's required? Uh, like within the department, we have to find the person who is getting max salary within the department. So let's do that as well. So for that, what we have to do, we have to group by this on top of the department. So let's highlight this also. Max salary within department. So bold it, highlight it. Now what we have to do, don't going to print this schema now, just let it be. And we have df1, right? Now take this one and put this df highest department. So if we'll do this now, what we have to do, we instead of in group by, what we have to use, we have to use department ID. Okay, so let's use over here department ID. Then maximum salary, we have to select max salary and department ID. So let's select that as well. Okay, do this, and now we have to order it by the salary, and we have to run this. Okay, again this is giving salaries not, so we have to read this one in df1. Okay, now let's df department dot so. So we can see that in department ID, the we have to group by with the employee as well, because it will give the whole department. It will summarize the total salary of that department, and it will give the maximum of that. So for that, again we have to do the group by over the employee ID. So it will give the individual's employee sum. Let's select that as well, and try to check. So we can see over here like department 50 having the